loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics. Hello, I'm the phonics tree. You guessed today's letter? Say these with me.
What are we learning?
Cake.
Tape.
Plane. Game. Cane.
What are we learning?
Did you guess? We're learning magic E turns A to A.
Now we're learning A.
It's time to read.
Are you ready to read? Hello. I'm a little grizzly bear. Want to read with me? Magic E turns A to A. Ape. Tape. Plane. Plane. Aim. Game. Ain. Cane. Ache. Cake. You've read the magic E turns A to A words.
It's time to write.
Hi everyone! Get those pencils ready. It's time to write. Welcome to the Writing Center. Trace with your magic writing finger. Or pause and write the words with your pencil. A cane. A tame. A lame. A pale. You wrote the A words. Well done writing in the Writing Center.
It's time to find.
Step into the deep dark wood. See what sounds you can find. Which one has today's sound? Dune, pain, fine. Can you hear A? Pain. Round 2. Atmosphere, pine, cane. Can you hear the A sound? Cane. Round 3. Bone, mane, cube. Can you hear A? Mane. Well done finding all 3 A sounds. Magic E turned A to A.
It's time to sing.
Whee! Try to keep up. I'm fast. Magic E turns tab to tape, plan to play, and can to game, can to cane, and cag to cake. Magic E, now you're not a mystery. Tape, plane, game, cane, cake. A, 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 A. Magic E turns A to A. Hello. I'm very impressed. You've learned this sound very well, haven't you?
Yeah, I know the sounds.
Say these with me. Cake, tape, plane, game, cane. Well done, you found all the A sounds today.
Wow! You're clever.
Wow! You have learned to say the sound, find the sound, read the sound, and sing the sound. With all this practicing, you're going to be an amazing reader. Well done! Be sure to check out more videos to keep practicing those phonics. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.